Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Firdousia Vlogs. So today is the third day of Ramadan and we are here with the third video in our series. Hope you all liked yesterday's video and tried the recipe too. Well, it's a pleasure to know that many of you are trying our recipes and eagerly waiting for them. Thank you all for clicking on to this video. You're watching the third video in Ahlan Ramadan series only on Firdousia Vlogs. It's the third day of Ramadan and these were the items we had for our iftar. Guava juice, apple, vermicelli truffles and chicken biryani. We thought of skipping the fries today and going for something sweet. So today I'm going to show you all the recipe of vermicelli truffles. This is an easy to make Arabic sweet made out of just 3 ingredients. Let's start with the recipe. Here I've taken around 2 cups of vermicelli. Now start crushing them using your hands in order to form small sticks. Heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons of ghee into it. Now let's fry the vermicelli in this. Mix this well and make sure that it doesn't burn. Now it's time to add sweetened condensed milk. Here I am adding half a tin of it. Make sure that you mix this really well. After some time, you'll start to see that the mix starts to harden and forms a chunk. This is the time to turn off the stove and take it out. Now it's time to shape the truffles. You may use whichever mold you have. Make sure that you fill the mix, press it hard and then take them out. So here I finished demolding all of these truffles. Also, it tastes really good if you garnish them with nuts. So that's it, we are done with the recipe of vermicelli truffles. Don't forget to try out the recipe of this easy peasy truffles and share your feedbacks through the comment box. Hope you all liked our recipe. Keep waiting for our next video. Till then, goodbye, Assalamu alaikum.